back again with another one for you. And this time I'm going to do a little brief tutorial for you guys. Let's jump on in. For my Samsung users out there or other Android devices like LG, I'm pretty sure they have the same settings. All right, let's jump in it. So we're gonna swipe down to your notification squad. I want you to click on your settings icon, top right hand corner. Okay, we're gonna go there. Then I want you to go to where it says sounds and vibration. We're gonna click on that one or tap on that one. Okay, gonna scroll down to where it says sound quality and effects. I want you to tap or click on that one. If you have a S Pen, you're gonna click on it. If you are just regular finger tapping, you're gonna tap it. All right, this time I disabled everything to my own just regular default settings, because by default it does come enabled with the Dolby Atmos for gaming, believe it or not. Some phones, to my understanding, I don't know, but I am using the Note 9 and it came with it enabled. All right, let's move on. Now, for all my customization users out there that like to customize sound and other things on your phone, check this out. This is the basic interface to adjust your bass, your treble, your vocals, and your instruments. A lot of you have issues with your phones not putting out that bass that you want to hear coming through your earbuds, your wireless headphones, your regular headphones, or wireless earbuds. And some of you doubt the product because you go, man, there's not enough bass. Well, I decided to go ahead and do this brief tutorial for you because I know that sometimes a lot of YouTubers out there focus specifically on the specs of the technology, that the headphones, the wireless earbuds, or just typical earbuds, but they don't focus on how to set it up the right way so you can get that bass. If you're a bass head, shout out to you. You know what I'm talking about. You can always adjust it in a simplification here. If you notice, I can just adjust this knob here all the way down to the left for my Samsung users out there that are using Notes. For the most part, it's like so. But I believe that applies to any phone in general if they have a similar interface like this one. Now, if you want to make it more intriguing, if you will, check this out. This is on the flat right now. This is your equalizer interface. Okay, so if you want to adjust your bass, you do this. If you want to adjust your trebles and mids, your highs, lows, what have you, you can do it through this as well. All right, I keep it usually on the knob for me because unfortunately my vision doesn't really do justice looking at the equalizer in that matter, and so I just go ahead and do it like so. All right, so when I'm just using the phone regularly, I will use it like this. This is the setting where I have it. But if I am on my earbuds, not on, but using them, you know what I'm saying. If I'm using my earbuds or regular headphones, I usually drop it here. And if I want more bass, of course, all the way to the bottom. All right, if I want to hear vocals more than the instruments, of course, you're gonna move down here to your right, all the way down to the right. And if you want to hear both, your vocals and instruments, you leave it right in the center. Or if you want to hear more instrument, of course, you're gonna move it all the way to your left. Since I like to listen to clear vocals, I just leave it usually in this setting. And let's go ahead and adjust my bass here again. I usually have it like this, guys. You are welcome to set it however you prefer. I like this. I get awesome music experience. Dolby Atmos, it just immerses your ears into a better sound experience. I mean, this is awesome. I actually left these two on by default. I figure why not, it's awesome. Now if you guys notice, I can't really do nothing, right? But if I wanted to say, I don't know, I'm listening to classical music, right? And I want to be feeling the music as if I'm in a concert hall, well, you can just turn on that option. Note, if you turn on Dolby Atmos, I believe it will disable it. Yes, it does. There you go. And you got the little notification there telling you. All right. So this is how I have my settings. And I hope that you guys learned on how to use your sound settings to adjust your bass, your trebles, your instruments, your vocals, what have you. All right. For my advanced users, this is the way to go. All right. See, this is exactly how it would look in the equalizer settings graph. All right. Or image. All right. If you notice right here where it says equalizer, it says custom. But if I want to move it just per se to normal, all right, it's gonna go to the center. If I want it in pop, it's gonna move the equalizer as well. See, you get the idea, right? Let me go to custom since I like it that way. And there you go. All right. This was a brief tutorial, ladies and gentlemen, for you out there who's having issues with your bass settings, your trebles, your mids, vocals, instruments, you name it. All right. You guys have any questions for me? Go ahead, drop it in the comment section. And if I could do any more tutorials like this for you, so you guys understand what you're jumping into and how to set your devices or so, go ahead. Don't be shy. Leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to do it. Also, I do commute with the blind community. So if you have a person that's totally blind or so, and he or she doesn't have an idea of how to use their smart devices with what's called screen reading software, let me know. I'll be glad to assist you. No worries. I got you covered. The LP is all about community all the way. All right. Looking forward to doing another video for you guys. But for now, I'm going to cut it. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Your friend LP for now saying OUT. We out.